Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. We're excited to announce that we have something we haven't had in quite some time, inventory. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive, and now you might just be able to drive one home the same day. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Niro, EV6, Forte. Even the 2024 Telluride is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and then we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hello everyone, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. Explore anywhere with confidence in the 2024 Kia Sportage. This month, lease a 2024 Sportage EX all-wheel drive for $359 per month for 24 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2024 Sportage include standard Kia DriveWise driver assist technology, heated seats and heated steering wheel, and Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop by or give us a call to get your 2024 Kia Sportage.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.